How to change arrow to vehicle icon on Google Maps. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you change arrow icon to vehicle on Google Maps. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Google Maps on your device. After you open Google Map from here, at the top in the search bar, you'll have to just enter your destination. After you search for that, at the bottom you'll have to tap on start.
Head east toward Gore.
Once you are in the navigation mode, simply tap on the blue arrow showing your location. After that, you'll have to just swipe right to change the navigation icon to vehicle from here. You can choose any kind of icon for your vehicle. Simply after you choose that, tap on down at the bottom. After you tap on that, you'll be able to change your navigation icon from arrow to vehicle. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.